Here's to a good time, not a long time, you know the vibes.
Damn, it's like D on the beat.
Good morning, vlog. We have made it to Costa Maya. Me and Quavy didn't go snorkeling this morning because it was raining really bad and weather did not permit it. We got a little bit of gang. Gang, how was y'all's New Year's? Happy New Year. Y'all's New Year's. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I see what you did there. I know.
Last night, how's y'all's morning?
We got crushed. For the free.
I'm mad it was raining, you guys. I'm mad it was raining.
I wasted my money.
We're not gonna go get a souvenir, so we're just gonna take a nice, cute Polaroid picture, and then we're gonna go get some food. I'm getting another burger. I'm sorry, y'all. Them burgers been so good. I'm finna get fat off these burgers. I might have 2 today.
Wow, man. Damn.
My goal is to have 2 burgers.
Big buck, big buck.
Six and a half hours later.
Vlog. So why the fuck I was walking to go meet up with Amari, and a couple was just like, hey, are you old enough to drink? And they got me free drinks, y'all.
Free drinks, what do you have?
I got me this nice, lovely, good coconut drink, and then I got me a good, dark liquor shot. I forgot what the guy said it was, but it's some shit. Here's to a good time, not a long time, you know the vibes. Wrap around.
I think I'll do a wraparound.
Tap it up.
What the fuck is this? You know what I'm saying? I understand.
Nice.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
You got a hump in Sydney. I'm up there, gang. OC,
Is when you lay your head on that pill at night. You know I gave you everything I had.
Vlog, we on friend phone. We on friend phone right now. Guys, it's deep. My body still fucking hurts.
All right, so this one. They got the last one for the bottom. What do you got?
Go Quavy, cause he's too wavy. Go Quavy, yeah Quavy, yeah Quavy. Hey,
3:28 a.m.
I'm gonna go ahead and, go to bed and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's video, we have Amazing Race. And we're in Cozumel, so boom, we finna do Amazing Race and all that good stuff, and then that's just that. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, tap in. Y'all know the vibe's been lit ever since we met our little group or whatever, the vibe's just been vibing, period. Like, comment, subscribe, and tap in. Oh my God, tap in. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. So, toodle. They say toodle. Toodle.